Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm cooking Jamaican style chicken and I'm going to roast it. It's going to be oil free, butter free. So what we have here today is chicken thighs. I got 3 chicken thighs. I removed the skin because when you remove the skin from the chicken is more healthier. It doesn't produce any oil when it's roasted or fried or cooked. Today we'll not be frying it. We'll be using no oil today. I've also got about a spoon and a half of black pepper. I'll put in 4 tablespoons of salt, a little bit of curry powder, crushed and diced up 3 heads of garlic, and also diced up, cut up 2 scallions, and I've diced up the thyme. I've also got some chicken seasoning oil in here, all-purpose seasoning. I've got 1 onion diced up. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to season the chicken, let it marinate, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook it without oil today. So let's report all our seasoning in it, because we need all our seasoning. That's the curry powder, black pepper. I'm not going to use all this onion today. I'm just going to use some of it. I don't need all of it. Yeah, that's about half of the onions. And about a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Marinated all this into the chicken. Ensure that all goes rubs into the chicken. You notice I've got a lot of seasoning in here for today. There's only 3 pieces of chicken thighs I've got. I marinated everything into the chicken. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this chicken down to marinate. You marinate this chicken for half an hour up to 6 hours, or even overnight. If you're doing this overnight, you put it in the fridge. So once my chicken is marinated, it's been marinated now at least for 5 hours. As I said to you before, you can marinate it longer than that. So what I'm going to do now, because remember what I said, show you how to cook Caribbean chicken, or Jamaican chicken without oil. It's oil free. So what I've done now, I'm going to put all the chicken and the seasoning in a glass dish. All the seasoning. I want all the seasoning to go in. You don't have to put all the seasoning. Normally they leave the seasoning out. So I'm putting all the seasoning. I want it all in there. Alright, so put in the chicken. And if you put in the seasoning, try to get it on the bottom of the tray. Alright. There you are. All the chicken is in the tray now. So what I'm going to do with that is put it in the oven to roast. And as you notice, I haven't put any oil in it. Oil free today. So now our chicken that was in the oven has been cooking for 1 hour, and you see it's roasted or baked, roast or baked, and there was no oil, no butter in this chicken. It's come down and all the flavours still in it. So what we have to do now to make some sauce. Most people, what they do after they've done the Caribbean chicken or the Jamaican chicken is use the same seasoning and the gravy and the oil of the chicken when it's cooked. There is none for this one because it was cooked without oil in the oven. So what we do now, I have some seasoning I left before from it. I have some onions and some garlic. I have some red peppers, some scallion, some thyme, some seasoning. What I'm going to do now, and some coconut milk I was left over. What I'm going to do now to make a sauce and put the chicken in. Yeah? So what I do now is put the rest of this coconut milk in here. Let's wait for it to come to a boil so that I can sweat off all my ingredients. So when it comes to the boil, I can put all my stuff and sweat it to all my vegetables. And that's why I said to you, it's more healthier to cook this way without oil than to be cooking without any oil at all. Now I'm going to put all my rest of my ingredients in here. And this comes to the boil. I'll turn the fire so it comes to the boil. So I'm putting my onions in here. I've got some onions. Put my onions in there. This onion. Put in some peppers. And put in some seasoning oil, just a bit of seasoning oil in the seasoning. I'll put in the scallion, the garlic and the thyme. I'm making a sauce for the chicken. If you don't want to use coconut milk to make this sauce, what you can use is you can use a chicken stock or you can use a vegetable stock. A bit of pepper. I'm going to put the chicken in. All I'm doing is sweating this off now. I sweat it off. Sweat off the vegetables. And then I'm going to put the chicken inside it. Bring it to the boil. Simmer it for a little while. Then that's how you do your Caribbean chicken. So while I'm bringing this to the boil, it's coming to the boil now. So I'm sweating up the chicken. There's garlic in there. Garlic is good for you. There's celery, scallion, red peppers, thyme, dried. So it's going to the boil. So you see it's come to the boil. Right. So you slowly sweat these up in here. What you do is you take your chicken, put your chicken inside. This is your roast chicken. Right. You just cover your chicken in the sauce. Yeah. And you let it simmer. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. So it comes into the sauce. So now the chicken's been reducing in sauce for 5 to 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like. The sauce has been reduced on this. I didn't put no thickening agent at all in it. It just reduced. I reduced it on a low fire. So this is what you have here. Your Caribbean chicken in a sauce that's cooked in the oven with no oil. This is a part of the sauce. Yeah, these are part of the sauce that we're doing now. So put the sauce on there. There you have the sauce there. So as I said to you before, it's cooked with no oil, no butter, no sugar. So here we have Jamaican style chicken cooked, no butter, no oil. So baked in the oven or roast in the oven. And please subscribe, share, and press the notification button so when I make the next dish it will come to you. Thank you very much for watching again. Thank you, bye.